Hello and welcome to this short video on how to use Salesforce Workbench to set a user password. This can be very useful when you have a user who is struggling to log in and who does not seem to receive the password reset emails, or does not know how, or does not have access to their spam emails. Using Workbench, I can set this user's password to something I chose for them so that they can log in using that. They will be prompted to change their password to something else after 24 hours. Firstly, we need to get logged into Workbench. We're going to work in a sandbox here, so I will choose Sandbox from the Environment drop-down and then agree to the terms and conditions. The first stage in setting a user password using Workbench is to find the record ID for the user I want to update. To do this, we will create a simple SOQL query to find our user by going to the Query tools in Workbench. Here I will choose the object I want to query, in this case the user, and hold down my Control key to select multiple fields that I would like my query to display. I will then apply a filter so that I can get just the user that I wanted. When I have finished setting up, I can click Query and my results will be shown below. My query has found me the user that I wanted along with the ID for that user. I need this in the password tool, so I will copy it onto the clipboard. Here in the password management section of Workbench, I can trigger a normal password reset email to be sent by selecting Reset. In this example though, I want to set the user password myself. Workbench has now set the user's password to what I just put in, and when they go to log into Salesforce, they will be able to use this new password to log in. After 24 hours, the set password will expire and the user will be prompted to change their password to keep security concerns to a minimum. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.